Do you have copper plumbing in your home? And is there like a green stain? Like, look at this. There's all manner of green going on here. Can you see that? There we go. Will that help? Yeah. Look at that. Okay, so what's going on there? Well, the pipe's leaking, and that is copper sulphate. So that is the hallmark color of copper, right? When there's a problem with your copper pipes and you see that color, 100% there's a leak here. And sometimes it can actually kind of stop itself or stem the flow of the leak if it's a very minor leak. And you saw how it kind of builds up the scale and then that blue-green accumulation as well. All of that stuff could actually stem a small leak for a short period of time. Or it could be that the leak is so small that it's not actually even dripping or causing a puddle. It just a single drip, but it evaporates during the day. And that would be pretty common actually. And here's the thing. It is not going to get better. It is 100% going to get worse, and it's just a matter of time. And once you see something like that, like when you hear stories of like, oh, I came home and my basement was flooded or something, that's what would cause something like that. Like when you see a deficiency, especially with something like a pressurized copper plumbing line in your home, that greeny blue coloring is a deficiency. It's an indication there's a leak, and that thing's got to go. It's not like imminent. It's probably not going to explode tomorrow if you just notice there's a little bit of the green-blue material starting. But certainly it's not something that I'd want in my home, and you probably don't want in yours. If you found this information helpful, please be sure to like this video, subscribe to this YouTube channel. I'm technically Steve. It'll technically help you to like and subscribe, so I'll see you later.